Welcome Crown Vic fans. Today is the day, today is Christmas. No, we haven't December today. We've got the 11th of October. But for me it's Christmas Day because I received my new Crown Vic this morning. It was very early in the morning. At 6:30 the shipping company arrived here with a truck with a Vic on the load bed. But it was so dark. I got my camera with me, but you can't see nothing on that video. So I put the Crown Vic in my garage behind me, and now let's check. I've seen also the Vic in darkness. I see nothing, and so it's a first contact for me with a new Vic from Chris, and let's see how it looked like. And open the garage. Here it is. Ta-ta. I take it out of the garage and then we have a detail look on it. So guys, come with me and have a look at the Crown Vic. It's a beautiful North Sea blue Crown Vic directly from Delaware. Here are still the Delaware plate on it. And yeah, it's also for me the first contact, and it looks beautiful. Okay, like Chris described it at the beginning of this little session when he purchased it. A few scratches here, okay, a few burn marks in the paint from the Delaware sun. Center hubcaps. It looks nice. A hole in the trunk, okay. Okay. And also 2 holes in the roof. Beautiful. Comes directly from Bremerhaven, and that was the ship Carmen. So it looks nice. A few dings and scratches, but it doesn't matter. It was a police car and they used the car. So very nice North Sea blue, and it fits because it comes from Bremerhaven, and Bremerhaven it's a shore, it's a North Sea, yeah? And yeah, let's have a look inside. Oh, it's also the flex fuel engine from the last building years, 2011. And let's have a look inside. So very clean. So Chris detailed it before. I know 2 holes, 3 holes in the dash. Vinyl back seat. Okay. It's very clean. It's cleaner than the Vic I've got before. You know, maybe from my first videos that I got the Vic Oreo in the LAPD style, and in the full spec with lights and sirens, and that it's right now more a civil one. So let's have a look inside here in the back. You can have a good seat here in the back, much more better than in the former Vic, with a divider here with a cage in it. Some marks here from the former cage at the roof, and yeah, you see there's no center console, and that's is not so good because Chris put a center console inside, and I think it was stolen at the transport. I've read sometimes things are gone on that ships, on the transport ships, and oh, I can't go outside. Why? It's a police style. You can't open it in the back. So yeah, let's jump in the front here outside. That it's not so good. I have to change, but I can go outside also. In the back. That's a new experience for me, and I have to fix that. So let's have a look on the Odo. Got a key in my pocket, and let's check the Odo. Nothing happens. Let's start. Okay, you can see 81,000 miles. That's great. The other Vic I've got has, I think, 129. Let's pop the hood. Let's have a look under the hood. I hope I have to put the camera here to put pop the hood with both. Where does it work? Come on. Here. Now it works. So take the camera back. Let's have a look to the beautiful engine. That looks nice. Very nice. And looks very good. The scratches there I've mentioned. Let's have a look under the car. It's not so much rust. It's okay for East Coast car. So many guys want to buy West Coast cars because there is less rust. A little bit here, but it's okay. So yeah, that's beautiful, and I wanna show you at least something. So I want to say thank you to Chris, and thanks. Now the advertising block is coming. Thanks for your shirt, Chris. You put inside the car. I was very happy about that. And to the other guys, if you want to see more Crown Vics, more government auctions, how does it work, jump on the channel from Chris from East Coast Classics, and there are many videos to that topic. Thanks for you guys to have a look, the first look with me together to that car, and in another video in the next days and weeks I will present you what the factory did to get the technical approval for Germany, and what does it cost to me in detail to get this car here at my driveway. What I can say today, I think we will land in the 11,000 euro area. That means $12,000 from the exchange rate from today. And if you know that you are paying $3,000 or $4,000 for a good Vic, 4 times more in Germany, that you can get such a car on the German roads with a technical approval. Yeah, what's going on next time? Winter is coming up, so I put the car into the garage again, and I will organize license plates in spring, because it's also expensive a little bit, that car here in Germany, and I want to drive it. I don't want to drive it by snow like the first one. Also, I've not driven by snow, and so I put it a few months into my garage, but in the next week I put it out of the garage and make some videos and tell you something about the technical things, the rebuilding things, the cost things. So thanks again to Chris, who bought this car for me in April, roughly half a year ago, and brought it to Baltimore and on the ship. And thanks to the other guys for having interest at me and my Vic. And yeah, let's see what happened with that car in the next months. And with that beautiful pictures, I want to say goodbye for today and see you soon. Let's have a last look at the beautiful Crown Vic. Sounds so beautiful. So that's for today. Thanks, Chris, to all the others. I will have fun.